Big up yourself and subscribe to this channel. Watch, like, and share the videos. Oh, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified.
Now that I start watch cooking channel, I go and experiment with some of the recipe I learn at the time. When Stumpy come home, he must lick him finger.
Hey, Kerry, honey, I am home.
We return to the Yardie Cooking channel after a word from our sponsors.
Hi babes, I hope you're hungry, cause me cook a decent meal for you today.
Me raw babes, but I open a sardine you cook, you know.
No man, I want new recipe I learn today. You're gonna love it. How it tastes, babes?
Honey, it bad. And me mean that in every sense of the word. The food really tastes bad, you know, but me no want upset her.
Thanks babes. Me go and prepare a different meal for you enjoy your daytime now.
Welcome back to the Yardie Cooking channel.
Rotted. Kerry, I watch cooking channel and I dress like chef now. Hi, honey. I am home.
Hi babes. I have prepared a new recipe for you today. It's waiting for you on the dining table. Do enjoy.
This tastes worse than yesterday. I wonder if she find new man and I try poison me.
We return to the Yardie Cooking channel after a word from our sponsors.
How is it there?
Delicious, honey.
Welcome back to the Yardie Cooking channel. We return to the Yardie Cooking channel after a word from our sponsors.
Kerry, is what kind of taste bad food this you cook give me every day? The whole week is beer running belly me have. And every day I watch cooking channel. And you can't cook.
But you watch porn all the while and you can't do nothing. bother with me in here today, yeah?
Welcome back to the Yardie Cooking Channel.